So the second step to your Web Blender project or your portfolio project is to actually open the program Web Blender, and that's under Start, RCI, Staff, and Web Blender 2 it's called. It should pop up and look something like this. Once it pops up, the first thing you should do is save it. So we're going to do a file, save as, and you're going to path it to your folder, and you're going to find in your folder the folder called Portfolio that you just made. Everything goes in this folder. And we're going to name this page Index without a capital I. Okay, so we're naming it Index because that is usually what that first page of a web page is called, is index.html. So let's go ahead and name it Index for right now. Make sure it's in your portfolio folder and say save. Once you're in, you can do a background, which is right over here. You can click on the color and change it to whatever color you'd like. And then you can click on the T tool to make a text box. And you can double click there and type what you need to type in there, and you can highlight it and change it just like in Microsoft Word. You can make it bigger and smaller with this scroll bar. You can bold it, center it. Okay, once you click outside of it, then you can move it to where you need it to be. Okay, let's say I want to hyperlink this now. So if I want to hyperlink this to one of my pictures in my folder, I'm going to go ahead and put it where I want it and click right here. It says hyperlink. I'm going to click on edit, and I can go to a file. Okay, then I have to find my folder, so I have to path it. Oops. And then I'm going to link this to a picture. So let's see. I want to actually see my pictures. So if I link it to the picture and then I say OK, I want to make sure I save again. Once you have all your links set up, okay, obviously you're not going to name them pictures, Word document, and movies, but for me that was the easiest thing to do. So you're going to want to be a little more descriptive, and you're probably going to have more than 3 links. You can choose go to the library and you can look for animations and clip art and photos and things if you want to do that. If you want, you can add a sound. So when people bring your page up, you can hit record. Hi, this is Mrs. Holmes. Welcome to my portfolio page. Hi, this is Mrs. Holmes. Welcome to my portfolio page. I say OK, and if I like it, that's great. Then when they open that up, that'll be connected to my page. I can also go to options and edit page title. So when you bring it up, you want it to say your name probably. Okay. Under page, you can do the preview mode. So that'll show you what it's going to look like. Okay, so it just played my talking. You might not have heard that, but then I click on pictures and it opens my pictures for me, and I can close it up. Word document, it opens my Word document. I can close it up. Movies, here goes my movie. Okay, so then I can change back to editing mode, and you can do that at any time to see what it's going to look like. Make sure you're always saving. Okay,